Hi everyone, I'm Eddie of E&S Computers. This week we have a HP 14-CM0507sa. It has 4GB of RAM and a 60GB SSD. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at seeing if we can upgrade it with the RAM and the SSD. So let's get on.
Right, so I have already taken one screw out, which is there. Took that out and then I thought, oh, might as well. Sorry about the content on the channel. I don't appear to be getting more than upgrades in all the time lately. Couple of builds. Right, now we've got to see if, because HP have a habit of hiding screws under these, and I don't think there is. So instead of trying to take that off and find out, let's just see if we can pop it off. Or if they're going to be anywhere, they're going to be under here. Yeah, okay. There's one there. And they do this because should you have to send it back, and they see that the rubber has been removed, they're going to say, oh, it was your fault, you done it, even though you only probably took it apart to find out what was wrong with it. But it is a HP. That's generally what's wrong with it. Come on. And there's the last one. So yes, you know I'm not a fan of HPs because they go wrong for a pastime. One of my suppliers that deals in refurbished machines, I can guarantee I can always get a HP. But if I'm after like a factory repaired Dell or something like that, then no. Mind you, Dell have a habit, well, they used to, because I was my last employer, my last employer was one of the 3 companies in the UK that had the Dell warranty contract. Yeah, I was a field engineer and I would do all the warranty repairs in, well, not me alone, there was others, but I generally covered all the BA postcodes. So from Bath down to Yeovil, across to Wincanton, Right, here we go. Sorry about this, I know you can't see it. And you just got to go around it very carefully. Oh, actually, there might be a screw under here. Let's have a look. Yes, there is. Okay, so there's one screw. Right, so we've got the top off, and unfortunately this has what you see here where the hard drive would go. It's a 60 gigabyte eMMC drive, so everything's on now. So that can't be upgraded. We can upgrade the RAM here from 4 to 8, but yeah, the hard drive can't be upgraded. I really don't know why companies do this. Is it to stop people upgrading it, so you've got to go back after what, 13 months and go, yeah, I need a new laptop because the one I bought a year ago doesn't have the space on it anymore. They're false economies. These type of laptops are complete false economies. Why do you do it? Why do you do it? I mean, it's just not worth it. So, right, there you have it. I'll stop whining and complaining. And yeah, so we're going to contact the customer, see if he wants some more RAM in this to bump it up to 8, but that's it. That's as much as we can do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it's been a little bit slow on the content lately, but all I seem to be doing at the moment is upgrading standard hard drives to SSDs, and I don't want to keep putting the same material on the channel all the time, because I don't want you getting bored. I want people to subscribe and help me grow the channel. Yeah, so please click like and subscribe. Take care, look after each other, and yeah.